Let's look at pattern 03. Some parts are already stitched, while others aren't yet. Now I'll demonstrate these unstitched parts. Let's start with the closed feather stitch. Using 6 strands of color number 4. Bring needle up on left side. Take down below. Don't pull tight. Leave some thread on fabric. Then come up at diagonal top. Pull thread. Take down at lower left. Again, don't pull tight. Come up parallel on right. Pull thread. Let me show once more. Take it down here. Come up at diagonal top. Again, take down below. Come up on right. Pull thread. One more time. Don't pull tight. Come up on right. Complete pattern following these steps. When stitching, remember, stitches should interlock, creating continuous lines. For pattern continuity. Final stitch down. Let's look at the result. Now we'll tie off on back. Pass needle under stitches. Wrap thread around needle twice. Hold wrapped area with finger. Push needle up. Pull thread. Back knot is now secured. Cut off excess thread. Let's look at the result.